welcome to Wicked Wheelie Wednesdays. Let's have a little wander around, see what we can see. Nice booster. You alright? Have a little look over here and see what's down here. It was a good turnout earlier, but I stopped and had a quick pint, and before I know it, everyone's leaving. So, how are we doing?
Not too bad yourself?
Very well, thank you very much. Little clump of Kawasaki's over here. That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's very nice, actually. $1,400. Yeah. Very rapid. Maybe I'll look for one of them next. See if I can find all of the horsepower in it.
That's one of my mates' brother. That's one.
Yeah?
He's got pretty much the same colour scheme with yours, like black and green.
That's one I'd like.
Yeah.
The black one though, I got to say, that was lovely, to be fair.
Yeah. He's got his black and green. And that's fucking rapid.
Oh, someone's giving it the beans.
It's a nice bit of straight road.
Oh, it's lovely. Got the moustache slit on the front headlight.
Yeah.
I like that. That's the R1 from yesterday. It is, we're watching leave.
Oh, I had to come and talk to you at some point anyway.
I think that is.
I was speaking to Tom the other week about
Nice to see lots of people from out and about.
He's got a petrol tank strapped to the side of his bike.
A what, sorry?
He's got a petrol carrier strapped to the side of his bike.
That's extreme, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm not sure I want to slide that down
Instant
the road.
tyre fix. He's all equipped, this guy, isn't he?
Yeah.
I like it. That's got his everything there. Everything you'd need on a motorcycle outing.
Yeah.
Get him on there, look. NABD member. Top banana. Nice. Oh, Boy Scout, always be prepared. In my day, it was be prepared for something dark, I have to tell you. Not so much now. Let's go over this way then. Oh, down there, yeah. It's tidy as well. Found you. Go on then, we'll get you leaving, Jace.
got music blaring. What did you say?
I said we'll get you leaving then, Jace.
Yeah, absolutely. You guys can talk about that.
Yeah, you think?
Ride safe, have a nice one.
Yeah, thank you.
See you next time. The old gravel. That is the only thing here, isn't it? The slidey gravels.
Dual R1Ms.
Lovely.
Yeah.
They're a lot of money though, isn't
With
they?
an AR. Got some racing equipment. Yeah, they're like silly money they are.
I like the plate.
Yeah.
Bit of a virus plate.
And a very...
And a sneaky plate.
Yeah.
We won't focus on that. We'll focus on that. Well, we won't focus on either of them, we'll carry on. I suppose it stops your plate from being stolen whilst you're parked up. That's the good idea.
Did you see that?
No.
He's got a little booty on his front brake reservoir. It says, "Don't be a bitch, don't touch the brakes."
Let's have a look at this Norton. That's nice, I like that.
Should we go up and down there and then back round?
Yeah, can do. Let's do that. Sneak past the Cherry Lane. Oh, we better catch him before he leaves. On the Laverda. That is a beauty. Get a little treat there as he starts her up. It's a nice thing. That is beautiful. Cheerio, very nice Laverda. Oh, and then we're straight on to a 350. Can't beat that either. Yeah, look at that, so original that is, mate.
Yes.
That's like someone picked it up today from the showroom.
Yeah.
Look at that. I know people like the Microns and the all sport exhaust and stuff, but I mean, that is as genuine a model as you're likely to get, isn't it? If the guy was selling it, I'd offer him money for that one. I like that. I like that a lot. Very much indeed. Yes. Don't know why I like them, but I like them.
I kind of agree with Jack though, because they're meant to be like a nice old rare bike, but they're becoming far too common.
They are far too common, and that's the only bit that I dislike about them now. When I was young, I craved after one, but every single one is a survivor by the look of it.
I'm in MT10 with a top box.
You see, top boxes aren't gay. I know you don't give them a good review, but I prefer.
I like top boxes.
I think they're very convenient for the
Anyone else likes them, but I like them.
not necessarily for aerodynamics or aesthetics, but for handiness, can't beat it. Oh, Triumph! Look at that bad boy. Got the rag underneath the seat there, just in case of any emergencies. A couple of disconnected wires down there, which are obviously useful at one point. Look at that. Now, if you were talking about a barn find, that type of thing, that is a beautiful thing, that.
Yeah.
That is as patina goes. Wow, what a survivor. That is lovely. And the owner knows it as well. That is beautiful.
He's left his headset on there.
He's left his headset on, he'll be slightly gutted about that. But I don't know who he is, so I can't tell him. But I will say that it's lovely, isn't it? And to still be out riding it, nice and original.
It's so original, it's still got the original oil leak from factory.
Stop it, I'm not going to focus on oil leaks. I know that they used to leave puddles of thing on the floor. Got the Kawasaki with the poorly indicator. Oh. Bit of an R6 going on.
Very nice.
That is nice.
That's somewhat similar to Josh's one.
Suzuki's.
Another R6.
Oh, it's a nice turnout again.
Yeah. And another R6.
And look, popular bike.
Yeah. That's nice. I like
That is very nice.
Yeah, I like
Mellow yellow. And he likes gay porn as well, so can't beat your gay porn if you're into it, I suppose. Not for me, but yeah, everyone to their own actually. But fair play. Strive on. So have a look over there, got some tight lines going on in the background. Lovely, lovely place, isn't it? What a nice place to come. Just to come and have a look round. The quaint little holiday homes again. Ice queen surfing up. Whopping ice creams as usual. I think we caught it just at the right time. Everybody's bailing out. Called it a day. Well, I'm going to stop at the Honda. Black and gold. JPS. Type colours from my youth. So that's nice. I like that. That is very nice. Very nice. I like that. I do. I really do like that. Some more coming in. Rizzler Racing. And some are away. Right, let's have a look over here quickly. Some generous ice creams on the wheel. Loves ice cream with a acre on it. What's going on over here? Superbike warehouse. Got the F800R and the Can-Am with plenty of panniers.
Yeah.
Won't that be a thing to ride, to be fair? It's almost like a jet ski with wheels, isn't it?
Yeah.
What a thing. The Triumph Speed Triple. And another Speed Triple in the white. Couple of Hondas. Trans Am. Or Translap, sorry, not Trans Am.
Africa Twin Translap.
That's tidy as fuck, that though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely thing.
So is the NC700, to be fair. I like them because they've got basically like a whole top box compartment where the fuel tank normally is.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
What they want is a hole like that so you can put your helmet in.
You can.
Oh, can you? You
Yeah.
put your helmet in that hole?
In that hole, yeah.
Well, that is a fucking splendid idea.
Yeah.
Well done, Honda.
I like them, they're nice. They're very well thought out.
We got here.
BMW R90.
That's nice, I like that. Sort of very retro bike.
Yeah.
I've never understood why they hang the engine out so far at the sides.
Well, no, it's because they have those weird...
I know it's a side stroke engine, whatever they call it, a boxer type engine, but I don't understand why on a bike.
Well, it's just like a signature thing, really.
I know, but they just look... If you fell over, you know that you've really fucked your engine. That's without a doubt, isn't it? I like this.
It's like a triple wall idea. They've got the parallel engine, but they've also got a shaft there.
Yeah.
So it's like double wall.
That's nice, though, isn't it? It's a bit different. I know, speedo down there, so you don't give a shit. Belt driven. Ram air filter. Done what?
How do you sit on?
Sit on what?
So obviously normally on a Harley, the foot pegs are
Right at the front. Yeah, I know. This is a speed shop, choppy, no mud guard specimen.
like the white walls.
Yeah.
Triumph
Rocket.
Yeah. I like them. They're nice.
Yeah.
They're like the
2.4 litre stupid engine things.
2.5 litre.
2.5, are they?
Yeah.
In the
2.5
shadow.
litre.
Don't think we've done this side over here yet, have we?
No.
So we need to sneak over by the site office. And we'll start the KTM and work back.
2.5 litre 6-cylinder.
And we got a... what that is now starting up. Sounds nice, popping and buffing. They're all off over that way.
Lovely Super Duke.
That is a nice Super Duke.
Yeah. That almost reminds me of Lasky's one. Except the Lasky's one had fuel